Let's talk about how last winter's temperature swings affects this spring and summer's gardening. A lot of customers have come into the nursery looking for advice about winter kill. This is an example of some winter kill in our greenhouses, and this plant is sweet osmanthus. Winter kill is when you have dieback or branch death or even plant death. This last winter, it got very, very warm in February. And we thought early spring, but no, Mother Nature had something up her sleeve. So she threw a lot of cold, icy, extended, low temperature weather right after that warm weather, and that caused the damage. With broadleaf evergreens like laurels, osmanthus, you want to scratch the bark and see where you have life. This is brown underneath, so this branch is dead. You can see at the base that there's a lot of life coming up. And you can see the last green buds, you can see them up to here. So you want to cut back all of the dead right to just above where you've got green buds. And where you have life, it should come back very nicely. Remember to treat it almost as a new planting. You want to fertilize, you want to water, you want to mulch, you want to help that new growth get established because it's going to take a lot of energy from the plant to get re-established.